So okay. Yeah. Tomorrow, yesterday. Any doubts?
No, sir. How to install Python, sir? But that is have an error, sir.
Error.
I mean, after installing, I didn't going to access it, sir. That's the problem.
An installer problem. Hmm? How to install? You know.
Sir, how to install? That's only I have problem, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I will explain you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. My screen visible or not visible? Krishna,
Yes, sir.
my screen visible no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Okay. First tab is a uh, Python dot org. Done. This is a website to download Python. Okay. Got it? Hit enter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, screen is in same camera roll feedback. That's page only.
Okay. 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 My screen is not visible. You
Page is visible, sir, but
visible?
show.
Sorry. Your voice not clear.
Sir, your page is in pictures slide only, sir.
Okay.
Does
Picture
not
slides.
change it.
Okay. Okay. Picture slide. Just not changing. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yes,
Visible
sir.
now? Okay. Okay. Visible. Yeah. Okay. Then go Python org. This is a link for download link. Python.org. Done. Python.org. Downloads. Then after that, click downloads and Python 3.9.1. Okay. For window. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then click and then about download Python 3.9.1. After downloading it, please wait. Yeah, got it. This is Python downloaded and show folder after. Visible na my screen?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Python is right click, then right click and go run as a administrator. After the yes. And see the window. Install Python 3.1 and click add Python 3.9 to path. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, add Python 3.9 path and install now. Click
Okay, sir.
and initializing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello Nila.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Mm.
Yesterday not coming to my classes.
Yeah, I didn't get any link from your side.
Ma'am, I already sent your link, your email ID, ma'am.
Actually, no, it's wrong one. I already talked with Mr. Pankaj and Ms. Puna.
Okay,
It's their mistake. It's
okay,
okay, no problem. I needed the recording,
okay, okay,
class recording.
okay.
Okay. Will you record today?
You record today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can you help me to download the Python? Because I already downloaded, but
Okay,
it's not working properly. Can you
okay,
guide me how to do?
okay. This is the first step to download Python. This is
Yeah,
a
I already done it.
done
Yeah,
it
I
now.
already done, but
Okay,
I think it's a pip and the path is missing. I think so. After that, I just install the path things, but the pip one is I have to check it.
yeah, yeah. Pip is why not install?
Yeah,
I will show you.
yeah, please.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Means pip pip. Hit enter.
Okay, why you're
Yeah.
doing actually this
No,
one?
no, no. Yeah. I will show you only.
Oh, okay.
Pip is. This is a installation after you command a pip. If you
Okay.
install already Python of all commands, so after then
Mm-hmm.
command pip and after show your libraries. So you
Okay.
are after saving after show pip command all libraries, then your Python is perfectly installing your desktop, your PC.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But pip command not.
Otherwise, shall I show my system? Could
Okay.
you change the host? Do you have time to do?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure.
Is it not? Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
done. Your Python installation done.
Yes, sir.
Be-
After that,
But after date is a install Python is done now. Yeah, this is done. Done progress and open the CMD and write the pip and hit enter.
okay, sir.
Okay, and after the CLS and your and py only py enter, then enter the Python command, hit enter 3.9.1 text and write the code. A equal to 10, after B equal to 20 and C equal to A plus B. Print of C. Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it. Sir.
Okay, okay. Neela,
Yeah. Hi.
got it?
Yeah. Okay. But
Nee,
can
nee.
you help me to
Yeah,
download
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
that
Okay, okay.
one?
Okay,
Then
okay.
after I. Okay.
Yeah. First of all,
Oh, the
Python
fraud problem. Okay. 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 You just.
download
Hmm.
or my 3.9 Python is already downloaded. ठीक? Done. Show this is Python 3.1. Okay. After
Okay.
right
Sure.
click,
Hmm.
hold. Run as a administrator. Done.
Oh, okay.
Then click.
Hmm.
After showing the window.
Hmm.
No, this is already
Yeah,
my
I
setup.
downloaded. That's why. Yeah.
This is because same. This is यहाँ पे ये this is यहाँ पर add to external path. This is a click.
Hmm.
This is same line. This is same here. This is
Okay.
lane. Add to pip. Add to external paths. Then click and install.
Hmm. Okay.
So automatically your path, your
Hmm.
administration.
Okay. Sure.
Then okay. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. ma'am. Okay.
But it's have some error. I already did it.
Yeah.
But even though it's having some error, I think it's pip or a path like that. I already downloaded.
Okay.
Shall I
Okay.
reinstall it
No, no,
or
no.
hmm,
First of all,
because
your
it's have
Python
some
is
error?
okay.
Ah,
You first of all, your Python is
hmm,
uninstalled. After the
okay.
download,
Hmm,
after the download,
hmm,
and
hmm,
show
hmm.
show this is a
Okay,
line.
sure,
Show this is a
sure,
line.
sure.
Add to
Okay.
pip. Add to external path. Then click pop up
Yeah,
and
sure, sure.
install.
Okay, I
Okay.
understood.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay,
Uh,
got it.
Nela, basically, where are you from?
Singapore.
Singapore. Okay. Are you
Yeah.
Indian? Are you Indian? Yeah. For
Yes, India. South
Indian.
Indian.
South Indian.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, 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 yeah, yeah. Okay, done it. Tomorrow is yesterday's class is done. This is only
Mm-hmm.
basics concepts. This is
Okay.
my
Okay.
my window is visible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
I
Okay.
can see it. Hmm.
Okay. This is fundamentals Python agendas. Language fundamentals.
Okay.
Comparison
Hmm.
of Python with other languages, and Python variables and data types and identifiers. So we continue Python's variables and
Mm-hmm.
data types and identifiers.
Okay. Hmm.
So
Okay.
language fundamentals. This is the features of Python and
Okay. Sure.
functions.
Will you send it the PDF? This
Yeah,
one?
yeah, yeah. I will send. I will send you. Okay.
Oh,
I will send you
okay.
PDF
Thank you.
and video
Hmm.
both.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yesterday's
Yeah. Okay.
yesterday's one, right? Hmm. Okay.
Yesterday's one only PDF, no video. I am not recorded. Only today's recorded video. Today and
Oh,
after the
okay. Then how could I how could I do that
no,
for
no, no,
yesterday's
no.
thing? Hmm.
Yesterday only was normal speech, normal, but only definitions. No coding,
Oh.
only definition. Language fundamentals. Python is general purpose
Mhm.
high level language. Python was developed Guido and sums. Only but basic things.
Mhm.
This is the main themes. Python variables and data types.
Okay.
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 So Krishna, which topics today start? Which topics? Which data type?
Variables, right?
No,
Just before
variables.
you.
Variables done it. For
Oh,
example,
already done.
okay. Variables only basic things. Example, I will show you.
Mm. Is it online Python, right?
Yeah, online Python.
Okay.
You
Then
have
why
done it.
should we download it? Actually, may I know that.
Acha, you know it.
Should we
What?
download?
No,
No.
no download. No, only was basic things. This is a variable. I will show you what is a variable.
Mhm. Okay.
For a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Then after c equal to a plus b. Then after
Mhm.
print c. This is my laptop is very hang. So
Mhm.
okay. Then output is 30. Show visible.
Yeah.
Yeah. So variable is a which type to store your data.
Mm.
Which type to store your data in the database. So 10 is 10 is your data.
Mm.
Is your data and a is variable to assign your data. Which
Mhm.
type of data to assign your variable. Memory is a location of memory space in databases.
Okay.
Which means 1 minute. A name in Python program is called identifier. Okay. It can be class name or function name, module name or variable name. This is called variable. Name of kind of it. 10 is a data type and a is variable. Your name is Nela. Okay.
Okay.
Name is your name. Nela. This is a
Mhm.
variable. This is a variable.
Okay.
And your per day activity, this is a data.
Mhm.
Okay. Rules to identify, rules to define identifiers in Python. How to define your variable in Python language.
Oh,
First,
okay.
first rules is first rules is the only allow characters in Python. Only allow characters, not symbols,
Mhm.
not a 0 to 9 character at a 5 moment. The only allow characters in Python alphabet symbols either lowercase and uppercase. Okay.
Then
Digit
numbers not.
numbers not numbers. I will show you
Mhm.
example. Digits 0 to 1 and underscore symbols. This is a
Mhm.
rules to define variable in Python. Okay. By
Okay.
mistake, if we are using any other symbols like dollar, then we will get syntax error. For example, Cash to 10. Dollar SH. Cash only lowercase. So executable is right. And then after dollar case symbols, this is the only error. We'll show you red line. This is syntax error. Okay?
Okay.
Neela got it now?
Yeah.
Krishna,
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
you already got it now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yesterday's class.
Yeah, yesterday class. Yeah. But few moments only describe your yesterday classes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So identify should not start with digits. So start not with digits. When this is a we'll get soon. We'll get a syntax error. Total. If you want, store one to any digits. So if you first of all lowercase, uppercase, after then you assign the 1, 2, 3, any digit of kind of. Okay. Identify Neela.
I had some doubt. Just
Neela,
before you
you
said,
okay? You
could you?
can you little bit Hindi? You know little Hindi.
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. Just before you mentioned as numeric is not cannot use it, right?
Numbers.
Yeah, numbers. Just before you mention it, numeric letters is cannot
No. No.
be
No. No. No.
used. It right?
No. No. Yes. Not right. For example, 1, 2, 1,
In
2, 3.
PDF, you just okay.
Okay, na? You already done it. A B A B C,
Mm,
and after
mm,
1, 2, 3. This is a
mm.
suitable. This is a
Oh, can use it. Okay,
okay,
but
and
symbol is not used. Cannot
symbol
use
is
it, right?
not used here.
But number and okay, alphabet is can.
Okay, both are you can use
Yeah.
it.
Mm, mm,
Sunil, this is a correct.
mm.
Done now.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
not number first of uses. This is error. Syntax error. Got it? Invalid syntax.
Okay. Mm,
Done
mm,
now. Okay.
mm, mm.
Yeah. So identify are case sensitive. Of course, Python language is case sensitive language. You know case sensitive language,
No,
Neela?
no.
Case sensitive means if you
Mm,
define if you define TOTAL, this is a small letter,
mm. Yeah.
a
Mm,
small letter,
mm,
Karan, and print that the value TOTAL. Define small letter and print to capital letter. Can you error या फिर output? This is an error because total is not defined.
mm,
So this is a camel case. If you want to define small, तो calling the small letter.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Mm.
This is a case sensitive language.
Okay. What's different between PyCharm and Python?
PyCharm is a IDE,
Sorry?
IDE, integrated development environment. That is called PyCharm. For
Oh, okay.
for only purpose your program. Only you return the code. Only return the code.
Then Python, it's the same, right? Both are
Python,
same. Huh?
no. Python is a language. Okay. Python is a
Okay.
scripting language to define your server side. This is called server side scripting language.
Oh,
Okay. Python is a
okay.
program. Python is a language. But PyCharm, this is called PyCharm. PyCharm
Uh,
only. PyCharm is a IDE. I will show you. One
okay.
minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay. What is the usage of IDE, that one? PyCharm.
IDE only use your return the professional coding. You are become a professional coder. This is a very big company. Many companies use only PyCharm.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Can use the same language, right?
Same
Python
language.
can
Any kind of language. Python, Java.
can
You
use
should
it.
use.
Oh,
देखो PyCharm the Python IDE for professional developers.
okay. Is it useful for downloading?
This is used for downloading. Yeah, because
Okay.
is a very useful
Okay.
for the
Mm.
identify your errors. This is a very big useful.
Okay.
Okay.
Please guide me to download it
Okay.
later. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Later.
Yeah.
After. Okay. After 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. So reserved words in Python. Reserved words means uh, there are words to predefine in the Python. Predefined words. This is called reserved word. Okay. In Python, some words are reserved to represent some meanings of functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. There are 33 reserved words available in Python. True, false, none. There are 33. But you are remembering 33 words? No, I got it. So if you are import keyword and then keyword key list, then after to go total words. I will show you.
Mm.
Done. Then print 33 keywords.
Okay.
Okay, 33 keywords.
Mm.
Done.
Mm.
Okay. If you want to declare a variable, not use false, none, true, and s. Not use 33 keywords. This is a reserved words. Only reserved words. Okay, reserve that is means any words kind of reserve functionality.
Okay.
False is define a functionality. None is a defined functionality. True is a defined functionality. Different type of define a functionality. So don't be used if you want to declare a variable to not use a reserved keywords. Got it?
Mm.
Data types in Python. Data types. What is the data types? Data types represent the type of data present inside a variable. Same thing. this is a data type, 10, 20, this is data type, and A and B, this is a variable. So define a data to is called a data types. So data types represent the type of data present inside a variable. Which type of store your variables? So that is called data type. In Python, we are not required to specify the type explicitly based on value provided. The type will be assigned automatically, hence Python is dynamically type language. You know dynamic type? Dynamic type, that means from Java. Java language, you not define a
Actually, I'm
in
not a programmer, so I don't know anything.
yeah. Int a equal to int a equal to 10. Int b equal to 20. This is integer. If you define a data type, other languages, Java, C, C++, to define a variable name, int type, float type, character type, this is statically typed. If you define a variable before to define,
Does it have any meaning for giving space nearby B?
no spaces,
No,
no space.
because
Because only demo purpose. This is a int not defined Python. Only what is statically and dynamically. This is a
okay,
this is called statically.
okay, okay.
Statically type. Statically type language. जैसे Java, C, C++. There are many different languages, but Python only a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So define a compile time to execute which type of data to store in a variable.
Okay.
Okay. This is a type. This is a statically type. Got it? Okay. So Python contains our following inbuilt data types: integer, float, boolean, string, range, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. The integer data type is characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a integer data type. 10, 20. Many are digits are integer only. 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to 50. This is a integer value. And
Okay.
on the floating value is point value. 12.4, 35.65. This is a called float value.
Mm.
Float value. And this is a int value. ठीक? And third values are boolean. Third data type is boolean. Boolean only two types. Boolean are two types. TRU true and false. True means one. True means one, and false means 0. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And boolean string. So four topic are string. So yesterday classes I have done it floating value, boolean value. So today is start string value.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, str type. Krishna.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yeah, got it, na? Okay. str. str represent. Str means string type, string data type. So str represent string data type. A string is a sequence of character enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. Means means that means string is a unclosed single character and double character. So S1, mm, S1. This is define a variable and store a string value. This is quotes. Done. So print of S1. So okay, Python is very easy language. This is called string enclosed within single quotes. Yeah, this is single quotes and with this double quotes. Enclosed is double close. Both are same. Yeah, got it?
Mm.
Okay. By using, if you want to multiple lines, if you want to using multiple lines in a string. So by using single quotes or double quotes, we cannot represent multi-line string letters. So if you want, this is a multi-line. Got it?
Mm.
This is a error show because single quotes and double quotes not providing to you choose multiple lines. So the same thing. By using single quotes or double quotes, we cannot replace multi-line string letters. Okay. So, but I want to multiple lines. So define a one, two, three quotes. Okay. So same thing. Python is very easy language. This is multi-line. One line, two line, and three line. One line, two line, and three line. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Krishna. Yeah. Nila. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You doubt, so you clearly rectify. Nila.
Mm.
Doubt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me.
Mm.
Uh, ask me.
Actually, no doubt.
Yeah.
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Hmm. We can also use triple quotes to use single quotes or double quotes in our string. If I want this line, so what is the output?
I think maybe it's wrong.
Wrong?
The second one. Yeah, second one is in between the double quote, right?
No, no, no.
Oh.
I will show you. Define a one variable s2.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, no. This is a ठीक, this is comment. Comment not compile your program, only comment. This is a reading purpose only. Okay, this is a if you want to start a hash, this is symbol hash to your line is comment, only read only purpose. Understood other developers. If you create a code to understood other developer, so this create a comment. So print h2. Yeah. If you want a column between string, so define a three quotes, define a double quotes between the string.
Okay.
Got it? uh, क्या नाम है? Krishna, got it?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Okay. So I want to this line single character s3 s3. Same output, only this is a triple quotes, only single quotes. If you want a double single quotes between double quotes, so easily to read quotes to between your strings. Got it? Both are same, but how to define your strings, your choice. Okay, so after we can embed one string in another string. Slicing of string. Slicing means slice, cut off piece, one by one. Slice means a piece. This operator, this operator is called slice operator, which can be used to retrieve parts of string in Python strings. Follows zero-based index. The index can be either positive and negative. Positive index means forward direction from left to right. Negative index means backward direction from right to left. Only definition, I will show you example. Date means slicing operator. Slicing, cut off piece. S4 equal to Kailash. Of A. S4 S4 of okay, yeah, S4 of index 1, 0 index. Okay, 0 index, so what will you get output? What is 0? 0 is a K. To define how to how to store your string to one characters. How to find the characters in string. So that is used to slice operator. Slicing. So -1. -1. So what is the output? This is a backward. Forward, this is a left to right, and backward is right to left. So left to right positive index, forward, and right to left backward index. So forward is if I 1, so get it A. Okay, this is a forwarding, and I get it -1. So what is the output? Krishna, the output?
Which? No.
Yes, sir.
No, right?
Which output?
Yes.
What is the
Yes,
output?
sir.
What is the
Yes,
output?
yes,
Yeah.
Oh, -1.
S.
yes.
No. Only H. This is H. This is a -1.
Oh,
Zero.
Okay. कैसे? I will define.
okay.
I will show you example. Okay. So S KAILASH Kailash. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and backwarding -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6, and -7. Got it? This is a forwarding. This is a forwarding that is called
Mm.
forwarding data, and this is a backward.
Mm.
Done. This is slice operator. Backward to right to left, and right to left backward, and forward is left to right. This is a forward. This is backward. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But zero is center of that, sir. So,
Yeah.
sir,
Hello.
zero is center only. 1, 2, 3 positive means
Yeah,
zero.
I also
Zero.
had same doubt.
Zero means zero is just a
They
forwarding.
have 0 forwarding, but in backward, there
Backward
is no
direction. Backward direction is -1. Backward यानी कि backward here, right to left. If you want backward direction, तो -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, and if forward is right to left 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is indexing. Indexing means if you want to 0 starting 0 index. Indexing two types: forwarding indexing, backward indexing. Forward indexing only 0, initialize 0, and backward index -1, initialize -1. From to back to left to right. Left to right, this is backward, and forwarding is 0 to 1, 0 to 6, 0 to any kind of data.
So 0 is common, so it's going.
0 is common. 0 is common. 0 is common. Only 0 is a already forwarding string. Only 0 pe 0 0 indexing. Starting is 0 indexing.
Yeah, I understood.
Okay.
Same as graphic, right?
Okay. So, okay, if I define a -5, what will be output?
I, right?
Yeah, exact I. ठीक? What will the output? -2, -2, -5, -5, 2.
That is also I, right? I.
Error. This is a I and
Other,
Comma I.
comma I. No, it's error.
what will the error? String indicates must be integers. Slicing operator only one arguments accept, two, 3 arguments not accept.
Oh, okay.
Done?
But if it is different argument, it's okay.
Different.
-5 or
Only one
-5.
argument. If you want to 6,
Oh.
then 6. Same error.
That is also same, right?
Same error.
Same error.
Done?
But if it is different number means 6 or
3.
2, 3, like that.
Done? Okay.
The same. Okay.
Got it? Same error.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Typecasting. Second point is typecasting. This is the only data type, only information purpose. That is many use purpose. Many use. This is databases. I will show you many use of things. Many examples of. This is strings. This is strings. Only data types. This is the only data type purpose str. But strings very big. Many modules, many functions are available in the strings. Many minimum 8 to 12 functions are stored in a string. List data structure, tuple data structure. Many examples. Okay, but only database. Which define database? Which type of database? Only I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Typecasting. Typecasting means we can convert one type value to another type. One type value to another type. This conversion is called typecasting or type conversions. The following are various inbuilt functions for typecasting. For example, int, float, boolean, or str. Integer data type. First, integer data type. Okay, integer. A equal to okay 1 to 3 point. This is a which value? Which type of data? Which data type?
Float, right?
Float, right. But I want to convert Typecasting convert integer type. Floating to convert integer. So print int of a. Done. So which value, which output came here? Any idea?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. This is decimal value. This is a floating point. To typecasting. 1, 2, 3. Only 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Not matter. If I want float. So this is a float. This is a float. Actual value. This is not error. This is same result. If I not, this is same result. But this is a integer to float. If I want okay int integer value. I want bool boolean of a. So what will be the output?
True.
True. Which means a is a integer type. To convert boolean type to a is a true. If I define
How it will be false?
false.
Can
Okay.
you?
Okay. False. Yeah. False.
Okay, it's 0.
Yeah. Sorry.
No. No.
Okay. 1.
Okay.
Or if you false,
So 0, right?
0. If you do after you define a 0, so boolean a of false. Got it? Nela, got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Okay. B equal to yeah, int of B. This is error because string is not convert to integer data type. String is not convert integer type, not convert float. This is error. Only this is brew bull में मतलब ये boolean type में which type of to store string is a correct boolean is a correct data type इसलिए true. Only one conditions are satisfied. Only booleans. String to int not convert. String to float not convert. Only string to boolean convert. True only. True या false. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
you are not saying I got it, you not got it, I've done it. Your doubts? Ask me.
No, sir. No, sir. I am saying got it, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Float value. We can use float function to convert other type value or to float types. If I generate equal to print float of C. What is the output? Convert int to float. What will be the output?
1, 2, 3 only the output, sir.
1, 2, 3. Okay, Neela. Neela, what is the output?
Sorry.
What will the output?
No idea actually.
No idea. Okay.
Because it's float.
Okay. Float is a point value. Point value defined. 1 to 3.0. Okay,
Yeah, I
because
think so, but
okay, yeah. Okay, because integer only decimal value, but floating is a point value. Decimal is a which type value? Integer only decimal value, but float is a point, यानी के point वाली value. If I 0.6, this is convert integer. So what will be the output? Krishna, this is saying 1 to 3. Correct, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Okay. Same result. वो 10, 1.0, 0.0 false में 10 string, but not string to convert. Value error. Could not convert string to float 10. Same error. I will show you now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Boolean. We can use this function convert other type value to bool type. Which type of boolean? 0 false, boolean 1 true, and true. Boolean 10.5 true. Boolean 0.178 true. True, true, true. False. Boolean false to false. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. X equal to false. Print of X. Result is false. If you want 0, the print X is. If you want define bool. So result is false. Become a false. Define 1, any kind of 1. Result is true. 1, 2, 3. Result is true. 0.56. Result is true. False only one conditions. False only 0 पे बाकी true 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 false 0.0 otherwise false because 0.0 means 0.0 that is result is already false. Got it? This is a float, this is a boolean. To type other convention only result true and false.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, boolean. str, we can use this method to convert other type value to str type. str10 r1 equal to str because str is str same 1 2 3 this result is become 1 2 3 false. What will be the output? Nela and Krishna, what will be the output?
False will be the output, sir.
Sorry?
False. False will be the
False.
output.
False. Okay. False. Nela, where are you?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
actually a little confusion. I'm thinking.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe false.
False.
ST.
Got it. str. If you convert str other value, only return type is str string. The same result. String means this is str to define variable. False, true, any kind of variable, 1 2 3 decimal value, float value, integer value. So result is same. This is a range data type. Integer done, float done, boolean done, string done. This is the fifth data type is range data type. Got it? Okay. So range data type represent a sequence of numbers. Elements present in the range data type are not modifiable. That is, range data type is immutable. Because of, if you want your name 10 bar repeats, 10 time repeats. So can you define a 10 times? Uh, A equal to Nila, Nila 10 times. A equal to फिर नीला B before is code is very lengthy. So why you again and again see a different name, different. So define a range functions. If I want your name 10 times, so range functions. Then use for loops for I in range 10 times. So print नीला of चलो नीला नहीं 3 2 जने हैं कृष्णा और नीला रोजाना लिंक भेज रहा हूँ रोजाना लिंक भेज रहा हूँ एक ही लिंक है मेरे पास एक ही बना रहा कल भी ज्वाइन होता आज भी ज्वाइन होता हाँ फैज नाम है ना हाँ कल भी तो लिंक उसी लिंक से yeah sorry for that yeah okay so print 10 times so what will the output 10 times 10 times Neela getter what is the output of Neela
Same, right?
yeah right run
Mm.
run got it if you want 100 times
Oh.
100 times
Oh.
this is 100 times I will show you this is a I 100 times
Okay.
okay so initial 0 you asking na why
Yeah.
0 so initial 0 and this is indexing forwarding indexing this is indexing okay this is a range powerful range this is a range function this is a power of functionality
Mm.
from range is 10 if you define how many times of your how many times repeat your data how many times repeat your code so that is used range function but decide okay I want 1 to 100 because initial 0 na so I want 1 to 100 so because agar 101 so what will the output
Up to 100.
02 up to
Count number.
100 up to 100
Yes, sir.
yeah up to 100 but because starting is always 0 So comma and start 1. Got it?
Okay. Mhm.
Got it, sir.
99 minus 1. This is minus 1 and start up to 0, 1. And I want 200. So already define a backward minus 1 and forward 0. Initialize 0. So backward minus 1, 100 to minus 1 यानी कि 99. If you want 100 तो 101. That is defined to 1 to 100. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
I want to alternative number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How to get it?
You can start with 2, right?
Start 2,
Hmm.
then comma 2.
Hmm.
Got it? This is a initialize to how to start your counter यानी कि counter attack यानी कि starting how to which numbers 2 1 2 3 4. If I got it 3 तो 3 की tables. I want to 3 tables. 30 या 31? 30 या which mean 31? 3. Got it? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Got it?
Then another 3, how it is? Okay. 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 Got it. Hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Yeah. So this is same thing. Range 10. So 0 to 9. Okay. If you define form 2, range 10, 20. So define 10 to up to 20. 19, 10 to up to 19. And from 3, range 3 types 10, 20, 2. यानी 10 से and 20 में 10, 12, 14, 16, 8. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay. We can access element present in the range data type by using index. Okay. Indexing number. So, print. Ten. 10. And to check fourth one. So which is the output? 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. What will the output?
Mm.
14. Because
Mm.
10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah.
Got it?
But there is 4, right?
What? Sorry?
But you mentioned it's 4, right?
Yeah, 4. Yeah, right. If you mention,
Uh,
if you mention 4, 5, 6, 7, if you mention 24,
mm.
24, what will the output?
Mm.
Error.
Error, yeah. Because beyond that.
Because this 24 is not in in this range. Okay. Oh, 20. 20 is there.
Yeah. Mm.
True or false? Yeah. 20 is error या फिर output. What is output?
10 to 20, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20.
Not much value is there, sir.
Same thing. This is error
Oh, okay.
because 20 is an index number. Only index number. This is 10, 12, 10, 11, 13, 14, up to 20. So index number only 11.
Okay, okay.
If I 11, so 11 is error.
That is okay. Oh,
10 is
mm,
10
possible.
is error because 0 to 9 index only 0 to 9 minus 1 to 9 is output will be 20.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, 19. 19. Okay, yeah, I got it. So if 10 is 0 index, okay, and 20 is minus 1, so minus 1 means yani ki 19, okay, or this is 0, start with 0, so out will be 9 is 19 because minus 1,
Mm,
okay.
okay. Mm.
So 8 is
That is
18. 18,
13.
okay.
Mm, okay.
If you want 21, so
Mm.
10, what will the output?
Mm.
20 will be the output, sir.
20,
Okay.
right? Okay, so
Mm.
so this is a power of range. This is index 10 to 20. If you all find 15, so index at a range object index out of range, we cannot modify the value of range data type. Means because already defined, the elements present in range data type are not modifiable. That is, range data type is immutable. Immutable means no update, no retrieve. This is called immutable. Only read only purpose. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Range. List range. Okay. This is a first. This is a output. If my output within square brackets, so that can use list. That is a range function. And list is a define square brackets and print L. So define your square brackets. That is square brackets. Sixth data type is set data type. Set data type. If you want, if we want to represent a group of value without duplicates, means without duplicates means if I set s1 equal to symbols is that is sets, no duplicate means 1 1 2 2 2 2. This is not allowed, no duplicate allows. If we want to if we want to represent a group of value without duplicates where order is not important, then we should go for set data type. Means no duplicates where order is not important. Order is not ascending order, descending order. That means any kind of 3 3 4 5, not a mention order. 3 43. This is a kind, not a mention order. Okay, without order not important, then we should go for set data type. First, a insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order, this is called insertion order, and duplicates are not allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous, this is a new word. Krishna, you got it? Heterogeneous.
No, sir.
Heterogeneous, you know what is heterogeneous?
I don't know, sir. Heterogeneous, but
Okay,
that
okay.
word is
Heterogeneous is allow multiples data types. This is a called integer. This is a float. This is a string. This is called heterogeneous. You are multiple data type to store in a set variables. This is called heterogeneous. Got it? If I store integers, float, string value, and I define boolean value. All define all values, that is called heterogeneous. Got it?
Yeah.
Krishna, got it na?
yes, sir. Got it, sir. Now.
Okay. Index concept is not applicable. Index concept. Index means same thing. This is a index. Index. This is index value. If I define 10, so what will the output 20? So index is not allowed in this set data type. Index are not allowed. It is mutable collections. Mutable means if I want to add, if want to add new characters, new integers, new value, so that is called, if you want to edit, update and delete, so that is a mutable. If you want to not edit, delete, only edit purpose, that is called immutable. Immutable and mutable both are different. So this is interview purpose questions. What is a mutable and immutable? Immutable, this is called only read only purpose. And mutable is if you want to update, delete and retrieve. So go for mutable. Got it? Nila, got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, okay. So first example. Yeah. Durga and 12.5 true. This is arranged data type. Output 100, 0, 10, 210, Durga 12.5 true. So 0 is first. True means 1. 100, 200, 10, 12.5 and Durga. So order is not be same. For example, after print, three times of print. Three times print result same. If do not, if you want mutable, so how to use? Indexing is not allowed. So indexing is not allowed. So uh, 0, 1. So got it error. Set object is not subscriptable. Subscriptable मतलब not indexing allow in set data type. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So type error set object does not supporting indexing. It is growable in nature. Based on our requirements, we can increase or decrease the size. If you want to decrease your size, delete, update, add. So go on growable in nature. So based on mutable. Sixty is add function dot add dot add 60. So go for 60 to add your set data type. So add, delete, remove. If I want to remove this 60, so s dot or remove self element 100. 100 is gone. add, remove, and delete. Remove 100, so 100 gone. Got it? Set data type.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Neela is
Yeah,
Neela. Got it?
yeah, I got it.
Neela is very confused.
No, I got some messages, so that's why.
है ना? Yeah. No confused. Python is a very, very, very simple and easy language.
Yeah, simple one.
Okay. No control. This is the only. If you want to learning English, learn English. I want to speak English. So, bus basic things, same things.
Hmm.
You want to learn English. You want to basic. You want to learn Python. Both are same.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Say data type. Done. This is a dict.
Hmm.
Dict means dictionary data types.
Hmm.
If we want to represent a group of value as a key value pairs, then we should go for dict data type. Dict यानी कि if you want represent a group of values as a key value pairs, then we should go for dict data type. Key value pairs में that is example. That is key and value. That is key and value. That is key and your values. If I want a print D. So this is a key value pair. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Duplicate key are not allowed means 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. This is same. Key same are not allowed. So 104, 101. Can you show example? I will show. Neela. So print D. 101. Okay. No. 101. Okay. Not allow means replace the value. Replace the value. 101 Durga. Replace 101 Neela. 101 Neela. Got it? Replace the value. If you want to duplicate allow, so your value is replace.
It will replace or not? Okay.
Sorry?
But then why it is not allowed means that
Yeah. Not allow. Duplicate not allow. Was only if you want duplicate by mistake
value.
duplicate
Oh, okay.
by mistake
I got it.
duplicate to so replace your first value.
Oh, okay.
But
Or
key
instead
difference.
of Durga, it's mentioned in the left, right? Okay.
Okay. 104. This is a ID and value is same.
Hmm.
Neela same. So
Okay.
2 Neela, 104 Neela
Oh,
and 101 Neela. So value
okay.
are duplicate allow, but key
Hmm.
single allow.
Hmm.
If you
Oh,
by mistake enter the same key, so replace the value.
oh, okay.
Okay, got it? Okay.
Hmm. Okay. அப்புறம் இருக்கு எனக்கு தெரியல முன்னாடி
Neela? Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Are you bored?
Got it.
Are you bored? Are you boring?
No.
No, no.
No.
बस only two topics हो. बस last topic. This is dict last topic. Okay.
It's okay. No problem.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but value can be duplicate. Understand? This line understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If we are trying to insert an entry with duplicate key, then old value will be replaced with the new value. Understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Okay.
Mm, mm.
So this is a mutable. Mutable in means you are entered new value. So define a dictionary empty. Empty dictionary. Okay. I will put the value D of 101 Kailash. Print of D. So what will the output? Error. Why is error coming? Okay. D of okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, same इसमें confused. I will confuse. So Kailash. Print D. Kailash. Got it? If you update new value, same. So 101 Krishna. Replace Kailash. You want many keys. Yeah, got it? This is a your dictionary. Key and value pairs. If you want to empty dictionary, that is more important. All Pythons is a dictionary because dictionary is used to store your database. Connectivity Python database. If you want to store your data in the database, the more important use is dictionary. Dictionary. Many other examples are more. Okay. Dict is a mutable and the order won't be preserved. Means order is not preserved. Same key value, a same output. Same defined key value, same output. So, mm, so dict is mutable and the order won't be preserved. Note: in general, we can use bytes and byte tree, byte array types to represent binary information like image, video, files, etc. In Python, 2 long data types is available, but in Python 3 is not available. and we can represent long value also by using int only. In Python, there is no char data type. Hence, we can present char value is also by using str type. Char means many languages C, C++, Java, PHP are use char type. Char is a data type. So define your character and string. And Python is only defined str equal to. So the char is not defined Python, only str defined on Python. Char is also C, C++, Java, Java, PHP, Ruby, R, many more languages, but only str defined only Python. So represent the string value. Got it?
Okay.
So yeah. So today's class done, and what will be the topics complete? Okay. Yeah. Python variable data identifies complete done. Reserve words. This is a 4 topic. 4 modules are done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Nila.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I will not provide you only the language fundamentals
Sir,
and
what's up this
comparison.
class, sir?
Sorry. Krishna. What you say?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Kya?
No, sir. I notes asking that notes only, sir.
Okay. Notes. I will provide you video and PDF both. Today or
Okay, sir.
tomorrow. Today or tomorrow I will send you. Same mail ID.
Yes, sir. Same mail ID only.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
my thing is different. I'll send you to. Can you ask Poonam or Mr.
You. Okay. You.
Pankaj?
Mr. Pankaj.
Because
Okay. Okay. You send Mr. Pankaj, sir.
yeah,
Email ID. Email ID. I will
yeah,
send
email
you.
ID.
I will
Mm.
send you proper notes and videos.
Yeah, please ask both anyone
Yeah. Yeah. Both.
because the old email ID is not the correct one.
Okay. Yeah.
Nila, yeah, please,
एक second. 1
please.
minute.
Mm. That is co-spaces,
Okay. Yeah.
co-space robo at gmail.com.
Can you send me WhatsApp numbers?
Yeah, by chat. Yeah, sure. One
Okay.
minute.
This is my WhatsApp number. 789 11.
Alright.
This is my WhatsApp number.
One minute.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Any query, any doubt? Ask me.
Yeah, sure.
Both, both. Krishna, you ask me, and Nela, you ask me.
Oh, sure.
Okay. Any doubt today topic?
No,
I
sir.
use summary. Okay. I create summary.
I go through it. I try to install it properly. If I get
Okay.
it any trouble, I'll let
Okay.
you know.
I'll let you know, and I will explain step by step both WhatsApp
Okay.
number. है ना?
Yeah, sure.
Clear
Thank you.
steps. है ना? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
Kailash. Oh, bye bye. Okay. Kailash, Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Got it. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.